How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. So last year around this time, we released a video showcasing all of our favorite highlights from the YouTube channel in 2021. And this year, I figured might as well keep the tradition going. So today's video is going to be one big montage of all of our favorite memories from 2022. Please enjoy.
No way.
Either.
Rocket ship!
The engine is breathing much more efficiently.
Oh, look at the muffler on that one, eh? Nice Miata we got here. It's Type R also. I don't know. Is this also a Miata?
This is a Supra.
Why are you looking at me like that, then? You know what they say about guys with BMWs.
Okay. It's the culture, Logan.
Got me feeling different. It's a Miata.
Dude, you can tell by the headlights.
Around 3 a.m., my CRV was involved in an accident. Now, that was a great car, but I think you guys are really gonna like what I picked up next. So here we are. I'd like to introduce you to my 1992 Dodge Stealth. had this hole in my heart, and it's about the size of a 2006 Honda CR-V Special Edition. And there really is only one way to fill that kind of hole, with another 2006 Honda CR-V Special Edition.
We are ready for our first start to see and make sure that there's not any catastrophic damage. That ain't good.
So there you have it, guys. That about wraps up 2022. I hope you enjoyed that little montage there. I know I had a good time making it, reliving all those memories I got to share with you guys. And man, I cannot thank you guys enough for all the support on the channel in the past year. In 2022, we made 43 videos and a couple live streams. We got 2,000 new subscribers, a little over 2,000, and just around 300,000 views on the channel. So you guys keep up the awesome work. Thank you guys for supporting us so much. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing here. So Tuesday after next, we'll be back to our regular scheduled program. We're gonna be continuing on the wide body Civic project. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you then. Bye.